Mastering the past perfect tense. Affirmative sentences made easy. Hello everyone, and welcome to our lesson today. We're going to focus on a very important part of English grammar, specifically the past perfect tense. Today's lesson is all about forming affirmative sentences using the past perfect tense. This might sound a little complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. The past perfect tense is used to show that an action happened before another action in the past. It can also show that something happened before a specific time in the past. It's formed by using had, followed by the past participle of the verb. For instance, in the sentence, she had finished her work, had finished, is in the past perfect tense. Forming affirmative sentences in the past perfect tense is straightforward. The structure is subject plus had plus past participle of the verb. Let's look at a few examples. 1. I had studied English before I moved to the USA. 2. She had left the party when we arrived. In these examples, I had studied, and she had left, are in the past perfect tense. Remember that the past participle form of the verb is needed when forming the past perfect tense. For regular verbs, this is typically formed by adding ed to the base verb, e.g., worked, played, finished. However, for irregular verbs, the past participle form doesn't follow a set pattern and must be learned individually. For example, the past participle of go is gone, not goed. Let's look at some examples. 1. They had worked all day. Regular verb. 2. We had gone to the concert. Irregular verb. And that wraps up our lesson on forming affirmative sentences in the past perfect tense. Remember the structure: subject plus had plus past participle. And don't forget those irregular verbs. I hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using the past perfect tense confidently and correctly. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in our next lesson.